Hi there. Today I have the Wimaha pony flower shower curtain. Wonderful fabric. Oh, it's just so soft. It comes with the shower hangers. I only wish at this time I can hang it up for you. Currently my bathroom is being worked on and it's just a shambles. And I apologize, everybody. But as soon as I'm able to put this up, I will redo my video. But this is just so pretty, so awesome. It goes with practically any white, yellow, or maybe gray tile in someone's bathroom. It's just absolutely wonderful. I highly recommend it. I will have the Amazon URL on my YouTube. If you have any questions, just drop me a line. But as I said, I can't wait to hang this up once my bathroom is done. Okay, you guys have a great one and take care.